I'm Savannah Simpson, here in Blizzard Town. Here in Blizzard Town, we have lots and lots of storms, but the main storm we get is a blizzard. Of course, that's why it's called Blizzard Town. A blizzard is a very long snowstorm with very strong winds and lots of snowfall that can be very serious. The three things you'll need to have a blizzard are cold air near the earth, a bunch of moisture, and lift to rise the moist air to form a cloud and cause precipitation. The wind of a blizzard with snow in it can reach about 35 miles per hour. 1/4 of a mile can be more than 3 hours long. That's a lot. When meteorologists like me predict a blizzard, they send out a blizzard warning. During a blizzard, it's hard and almost impossible to drive. When strong winds and cold temperatures combine, it becomes even colder than it really is. You can get frostbite, which is when you lose the feeling in your fingers, toes, or nose, and even earlobes. Electricity might cut off, or pipes might freeze up. A blizzard can knock down trees and power lines. If you live near a beach and a blizzard comes by, it can cause bad flooding, and ships at the sea may even sink. In the West and Alaska, the winds coming down the mountains can go to 100 miles per hour or more. That's a lot, damaging homes and other things in its way. When the temperature goes up, not up, I mean under 0 degrees, under, it's called extreme cold. If you get caught in a blizzard, do not eat snow because your body temperature will go down. Melt it first, then you can drink it. Find shelter where you will not get wet and that covers your whole body. If you don't find shelter, find a snow cave for protection from the wind. And build a fire for heat. And some people may even find you because of the light in the snow cave from the fire. Be sure to place rocks around the fire because the cave might even catch on fire. And because the rocks will also reflect the light to make more of it. Okay, now let's go to something really important. If you're outside, I would not stay there because if you're near a shelter or you're near your house, I'd run inside. And if you're inside, I would stay there. Keep a non-plug-in radio to listen to weather during blizzards, and a flashlight with extra batteries. Here's the safety kit for you, just in case you get stuck in a blizzard or you know one's coming. A blanket or sleeping bags, a flashlight with extra batteries, a first aid kit, a knife, food that will not go bad without electricity or refrigeration, like canned food, extra clothes, a small can to put snow in, and matches to melt the snow to drink, a shovel, some sand, a water container, a compass, and road maps. Now here's something else important. Never go somewhere alone during a blizzard. If you live on a farm, move the farm animals to a place that is sheltered during a blizzard so they can stay alive. Dress correctly and appropriately for a blizzard. Now, I have a little surprise to show you. It's going to be basically so you can see what they mean by blizzard. So, first, the cold air near the earth. Don't you need cold air near the earth, right? So this white is going to be our cold air, okay? Cold air, okay? Cold air. And so then you need a bunch of moisture. So this bag of clearness will be moisture. Okay. Then you need a lift to form a cloud and cause precipitation. So you got moisture, and then you got coldness. So now you need a lift. This will be our lift. Go up and cause a cloud. So a cloud up here, right? Cloud here. Will cause precipitation. Right there. So does that make a little more sense? Well, if it does, then good. So thanks for watching me.